Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deactivated or disabled Instagram account, right? So first of all, you have to go any of the browsers. So let's say I'm choosing this Chrome browser, and on the search bar you have to type Instagram help, right? And after that you will get this kind of Instagram, and after that right here deactivated, okay? Or you can also write disabled account, right? And after that you will get the lot of option that why your account got deactivated, just because your account got hacked and all that, right? So just click on the option that you want, and if you don't get the option here, just go over the search icon, and here you have to write reactivate your Insta account, right? Or if it doesn't get an option, then just you can also type recovery, okay? And you have to search for it, right? And here you can see there's a lot of options. So let's say click on the recovery account here, and you have to wait for a second, and here you can see that I think my Instagram account has been hacked. I lost access to email or phone number. So just click any of the options, right? And let's say if I click on this option, you have to wait for a few seconds, and you have to scroll down a little bit. So just go down, and here, was this helpful? Just click on the no. And after that you have to click on the information is confusing, and here this is very important, guys. You have to explain your problem, your issue here in a proper and very easy manner. Let's say if your account got disabled just by doing something violating the rules of Instagram, so you have to write in that form, or it got mistakenly deactivated, then you have to explain to them, and after that you will get an email from Instagram customer service, and after that they will reactivate your account, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video, subscribe our channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.